Nick's whinging like a bitch again.
That's right, you've probably got time for another 2 or 3 cigarettes while we wait for fucking her indoors here.
Yeah, I just said on mine, I said Nick's whinging like a bitch again. How's that sofa? Is it ready? Yeah, we all here? No left.
Fucking hell, I can see Derek.
Has he got all 6 on?
Yeah.
Oh, I love it. Right, we go right here and then a left.
Hang on, we've lost Elton John. There he is, candle in the wind.
Elton John! Is he here? Oh, yeah. Yeah, let's have a go on the kids' park. Look.
Yeah, go on, go on.
Let's get on in there.
I reckon you'd look good on a skateboard.
Hey, I look good in anything. Another pheasant. That one didn't even have the decency to get shot.
No.
Bastard.
He got bored of waiting for Steve and committed suicide.
Well, I've just remembered to switch my camera on to record.
Was it chilly on the ride down, Derek? Oh, do you think so? With all that fucking... I bet you're nuclear with all that heated gear. Yeah. That road over there is where we're going, but we have to go down to this roundabout and come back.
Derek glows like the Ready Brek kid. Look at Nige using the corner of his tyre.
He wasn't lying when he said he's going to make the most of it.
No.
Yeah, but we were doing that anyway. I don't know why it's gone square.
No one's saying a word.
You didn't. No. You didn't bite off Timu, did you?
I mean, it's almost as flat as the top of your fucking head, Steve.
That is flat.
Old square head.
Yeah, Steve's got an odd-shaped head, Derek. He struggles to find helmets that actually fit. Yeah. Steve, behind you.
Shrek. I say, look at that, look. Is that an old windmill without the sails? It is, isn't it?
Looks like it, yeah. Either that or just a bloody start, just to fall in it. It's not tall enough for a windy mill, is it?
It's got a door in it.
Don't know what it is.
It's probably an Airbnb now.
Probably.
40? Fucking 40?
It's optional.
Oh yeah, you can see Derek all right with them lights.
I know.
Oh, love it.
That's what they're supposed to look like, Nige.
Yeah, not one end over there and one over there.
I've said it before, it must be like living with a television on, obnoxiously loud all the time.
I hear voices.
What, more than 2?
Yes, there's clearly a bit of money loitering around up this way, isn't there?
Yeah.
Just a little bit.
Bastards. Lots of Mercedes.
Yeah.
God, that was a place and a half tucked back in there.
Oh, wasn't it? Yeah.
It is a bit.
Very large.
So I bet they got a small bathroom.
Apparently, this is the high street.
Oh.
Is it?
You are,
Roll the dice.
You are clear. Roll the dice.
Has anyone been to Broadway in this area?
Broadway?
Yeah.
No.
That's a lovely little town.
Have you been to Broadway, Derek? Oh, yeah.
Lovely little place, isn't it? That's got a tower, isn't it?
No, there is a rather nice cafe, you know, in Devizes at Carn Locks.
Right.
There is a nice cafe there that we could delve in, and if when we get down that way, if you wanted to, Derek, it's easy to peel off from there, go over and pick up the 350, then you can go up the 350 and onto the 429 all the way back up.
Sounds like he's trying to get rid of you already, doesn't it, Derek?
Oh, no.
Yeah, thanks for coming, fuck off.
Yeah. Nice to meet you, Derek. But this is the way home.
We have water on the left, water on the right. Somewhere.
If you look on your map, you've got water everywhere.
Yeah. Water everywhere. And yet there's none to drink.
No. Oh, lots of wood.
Oh, wood.
Nick's got a stiffy.
Aha!
Yeah.
Don't even think about it.
You might want to fucking stay there.
Yeah. Don't worry, they saw Derek.
Yeah. Never saw Xi Jinping.
There they are, look, flashing away. I tell you, it's amazing. The traffic gets out of the way on the motorway.
Yeah, I'll bet. Fucking hell.
Is he lit up as well as Ron, is he?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, God.
Flashes as well,
It's Ron and then some. That car's got no headlights on, this little Lotus thing.
Yeah.
Well, that Lotus, Steve.
Yeah.
I didn't know if your deafness has spread to your eyeballs.
Oh, Steve's going to be about a mile behind now. He's out.
Yeah, don't worry.
Yeah, you'll see a little candle flicking in the distance.
Means I'm about 2 foot behind you.
God, that's a scabby. Oh, mind that pothole there.
Okay,
That's a deep one.
Which one?
that one.
Still not as deep as Bonnie Blue. I'll have you know, she's my girlfriend and she says she's faithful to me.
Yeah.
I was thinking on the way up, I really need to Google who this bloody bird is, but then I thought, no, probably not.
No.
She's like a mobile fucking sperm bank.
Oh, bit of a bike, is she?
Have you never heard of her?
Well, I've heard something, but
She set the record for sleeping with 1,000 men in a single day.
1,057, wasn't it, or something?
I still have parental controls on my phone.
Thing is, Steve was in line as 1,008.
I always join in with the jokes about Pornhub and that, but I ain't got a clue what you're on about because I'm not allowed to access it.
You see, the thing is, Steve, you may not know what Pornhub is, but it knows what you are because I use your face as verification for ID.
Do you have to use Face ID now then?
You do these days, apparently, yeah.
What do you mean apparently? You sounded like you knew what he was talking about.
He said, I thought I'd drop that in for good measure.
Drop that in.
So is it like having a passport? Can you have your glasses on, or do you have to take them off, or what?
I don't know. I tried Nigel's face, but the police turned up at the door.
It's my account with Nigel's face, right?
He said the computer went, fuck off!
I suppose it must read your face, and if you're ugly, I think the poor fucker's got no chance, we'll let him watch it.
Exactly, yeah.
I think it counts your wrinkles. I tried showing it my foreskin. It says, "Fuck off, nobody's that old." Oh look, cracks in the road.
Oh,
Sharp,
yes.
sharp.
I wonder how many cars have gone straight through there.
Oh, I bet.
I remember that little bungalow. It had a nice little paddock, didn't it?
Yeah. No, that's the catch zone. Can't park there, mate.
Well, thinking about it, your front end's a bit like a leading link, isn't it, Nige? And all your suspension, it's like a leading link, but the spring's up the top, isn't it?
Oh yeah, the old telly lever.
Yeah, because we used to have leading links on, bikes with sidecars, and they had square tyres on the front.
What are you saying? I think it's only gone flat square on the back because it's got my fat ass sat on it.
I could just see Nige going along with Olive in the sidecar.
Right.
All right.
He's having
Pursuit
it.
mode.
He's having it.
Here comes Elton John.
Yeah. The Blackpool Illuminations are with us anyway.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. It is.
That's the
That's the
one.
one. The candle in the wind. Love it. Right, stop having fun. Keep your eye on the sat nav.
Yeah.
You're all right with U-turns, aren't you, Derek? We do tend to make a few. Because we turned right here last time, Steve.
We did,
Numerous times.
No.
We was just getting to know the area, weren't we?
1.6 miles, we're hanging a left.
I concur, sir.
Allegedly.
Allegedly, yeah. Allegedly.
Well, we are. I don't know what Nige is going to do.
Yeah.
Nah, we'll go straight on.
Yeah, he could change his mind by then.
Oh, big shit.
Smell that.
Oh. As you say, why can people not like that smell?
Love it.